Hello, my name is Amanda Mayer, and this is my presentation on a few of the parks in West Virginia that my family and I frequently visit to get outside. Ardress State Park is located in Buchanan, West Virginia. This park is the perfect place to hike, picnic, or spend a night camping. When you visit Ardress State Park, make sure you at least hike out to the boardwalk along the cave trail. The boardwalk takes you underneath and along the mountainside. Another activity to enjoy on a warm summer day is to go swimming, tubing, or fishing at Middle Fork River that runs through Ardress State Park. Chestnut Ridge Regional Park is located in Brewster Mills, West Virginia, where there is something for everyone in the family. There are 5 hiking trails that total over 9 miles, kids events offered throughout the year, and pavilion rentals are just some of the things offered at the park. The park offers RV hookups, modern or rustic cabins, or be adventurous and do some tent camping along the lake. It is a great place to take kids for their first camping trip because there are bathrooms and the park office is located nearby. You can be out in the woods but still close to modern amenities. There are 2 lakes located in Chestnut Ridge Park. In the summer, you might want to take a swim in the lake located by the park office, or you might want to go fishing and relax. If it is your first time fishing, let the staff know, and whenever you catch a fish, they'll give you a certificate. Other activities that you can do is to catch salamanders found in the lake. It is a great place to learn about and see different types of animals that might live in the lake or in the woods around the park. On Saturday nights in the summer, the park offers outdoor family-friendly concerts. You can always find friends to talk to and kids dancing and running around with friends that they meet. Make an evening out of it and bring food to have a picnic or purchase food at one of the food trucks that attend. Lastly, Chestnut Ridge Park is not only a place to visit in the spring, summer, or fall, it is also a great place to go in the wintertime. Spend an afternoon sledding down the sledding hill. They have a snow machine, so there is always snow on the mountain. If you are in Morgantown, you must make a trip to visit Cooper's Rock State Forest in Brewster Mills, West Virginia. Cooper's Rocks gets its name from the fugitive who hid from the law near where it is now the Overlook. While you are visiting Cooper's Rocks, make sure you spend some time hiking and exploring the trails around the rock face. Other activities include a guided rock climbing and rappelling or even a zip line canopy tour sponsored by WVU Aerial Adventures, or even go fishing at the lake. You can find the Core Arboretum in Morgantown, West Virginia, right past the WVU Coliseum. Start at the top of the hill and hike down one of the trails through the forest. The trails will lead you down to the rails or trails or even down to the riverside, but be careful of those drop-offs. They are steep, so you'll need to watch your step. Mason-Dixon Historical Park in Core, West Virginia is a publicly owned 295-acre park that was established in the 1970s. It offers 6 different hiking trails, a mountain bike trail, log cabins available to rent, and an amphitheater that offers summer concerts. While you are at Mason-Dixon Historical Park, make sure you visit the state line at the 3rd Dunkard Crossing, where you can stand or sit in Pennsylvania and West Virginia at the same time, to be in 2 different states at one time. Continue on your hike through the fairy garden. While on the hike through the fairy garden, look around. You will find many fairy homes that have been built in the trees and tree stumps. See how many you can find hidden in the garden. When you visit Seneca Rocks in West Virginia, remember your hiking shoes. You can take a 1.5-mile trail through the mountain up to an observation platform. The trail, even though it's uphill, is not that difficult because it's made with steps and switchbacks to make the hike easier. Drive down to the Valley Falls State Park in Fairmont, West Virginia. Enjoy a picnic, take pictures by the falls, or even get married at the gazebo overlooking the falls. The West Virginia Botanical Gardens can be found in Cheat Lake, West Virginia. It has 7 hiking trails that is open to the public to explore nature and be outside. Try not to fall in when crossing one of the 3 water crossings. Those rocks can be slippery. While you're at West Virginia Botanical Gardens, stop by the Fairy Garden. Here you can build your own fairy house using materials you find in the forest. West Virginia is full of adventure. These are just some of the parks that we have visited throughout the year. Don't let the wonders of the Mountain State go unnoticed. Get out and enjoy everything that it has to offer. Country roads take me home.